Day 1 of Python fundamentals with a clear and deep explanation. Firstly, we want to know what is Python. Python is a programming language. It tells the computer what to do, how to instruct the computer. We are telling the computer to what are the instructions it want to be performed, and other stuff we are providing. Then we look at one example. Print hello from. This is the command used in the Python language. What it mean? Print hello rom. What it says, we are saying to the computer that I want to be printed as hello rom in the output page. Like it want to display hello rom on the screen. This is the logic of the print hello rom command line. That's it. The programming is nothing but giving the instructions to the computer. Then now we come on to the variables. Variables is a very important concept you want to be learned. Variables is nothing but an container which storing the data into it. You have a bottle. In the bottle you are storing the water. The bottle is called as a variable. Inside the data has been stored. The example is shown as name is equal to Ram, age is equal to 21. Means the name is in container. Age is in container. In the name we are storing the Ram integer string type. We are storing age is the container name and we are storing the 21 integer into it. Next here the name same. The name stores as text, age stores as number. Think like I said, no, the bottle stores the water into it. Like box name is the box and contains the Ram, and age is the box and contains 21. This type of will understand the Python automatically. It will understand this type. And now we want to know about data types which are stored in the variables. What are the data types are there? We have the string, integer, float, boolean. String, this is the Ram, is an example for string. Nothing but it is an text. An integer, the numbers, whole numbers have been stored in the integer. And float, the point values, 5.9 decimal numbers has been stored. And here boolean means true or false, yes or no, its meaning. And here example for string is name is equal to Ram and integer is name is equal to 21, we have previously discussed, and float is id is equal to 5.9. Each student name is boolean. This will says that is student or not. He is not the student means it will shows the false, and he is a student because he was studying in the 10th standard. Like it will shows the true statement. And you can check a type. How can you check the type? You have given the 21, then you want to check which type it is. How? Print type name. Inside the print you want to be added type. In that type you want to add the name. Then it will shows the which data type it was. And taking input from the user. How we are taking the input from the user? We are not defining any name or something number on boolean types. We are not defining. We are asking the user to enter the data which he is required. What happens when it asks the user to enter data? The program will pause and it will wait until the user types something, and the data which has entered by the user, it will be stored in the variable. And input will be always in the string type. Like we want to be in the number type means we are using the int inside the input. In the input we are asking the user to enter the age, then we can enter the number. Let me see an examples before going to the condition topic. First we'll create one folder. I have one folder like Python and select that one. Here I have Python, and now we'll create one folder like day1. In this folder we'll create hello.python. Enter. It will show the interface of the code. Here we'll print the hello world first. Print hello world. This is the here printing hello world. In the output it want to show like hello world, and now we will terminal, new terminal, new terminal. Here will be file hello.py. Here it was showing the output as hello world. This is the what we and this is the output we are expecting. And next we are creating the variables. How variables are created, as I said in the expression, like name is equal to Tom and age is equal to 20. Print name, print age. We want to print name as Rom and age as 20. This is the name of a container variable, and inside it the data type has been stored, and age is a variable and 20 is a data type, it has been stored in it. We'll compile that. We got the output as Rom as a name and 20 as a age. This is the variables concept. And next, now we'll want the data types. Data types. Yeah. What are the data types? String. String. How we can define a is equal to. This is the string. Next one is integer. How we can define as integer? Age is equal to 21. And next one is float. How we can define float? Right, is equal to point value, decimal value 0.6. And next one is Boolean. In Boolean, now we can define is student is equal to true. This is the Boolean. And next one is list. Now we can define the list. Now the skills, like skills is equal to C++. These are the values like will be listed. Multiple skills we can add. Next data type is tuple. Tuple is a data type, and how we can define the tuple as? Tuple we can be defined as date of birth is equal to 15 is an integer. The many data types are stored in the same variable is known as tuple. Here August is the string and 2000 is the tuple. And next one is dictionary. Dictionary. So we can define student profile is equal to student profile name is equal to age is equal to age. correct. Then height as defined, student as defined, and skills as defined, date of birth also defined. What are the data types we have seen? String, integer, float, Boolean, and list, tuple, dictionary. These are all the data types. How we can print them? We can print them by print name, print age for integer, print student, and for list we can print skills, and for tuple we can print DOB, and for the dictionary we can print student profile. And now in the student profile we will specifically mention the skills, which one I want. These are the printing methods for all the data types. We will compile. Here you have string as printed, 21 as integer as printed. This one is float and Boolean. This one is list of items, and this one is tuple, and most this one added an error. Here will be nothing. In the skills we have many no, so want to define which one want to display. 0 not will show. Something like that. Here we have made the mistake. Skills. Yeah. Now I will compile this. It will come. Something is an error. Here also skills. Yeah, it was now string to integer, float, and Boolean, list, tuple, and the dictionary. These are all came. And to know which is the data type we have assigned means we will be using it. We want to know about name. For name, the which data type is assigned. For that, print type name. So, print type age. it also find a string and integer. This like we can be know about the which data type it was, and these are all the data types which are there in the Python. That's it for today. We will be discuss conditional loop statements in the next video. Stay tuned for the next video.